Recording Venmo transactions in QuickBooks can help you manage your finances more efficiently. Here's how you can do it. Download Venmo transactions. Venmo doesn't directly integrate with QuickBooks, so you will need to download your Venmo transactions manually. Open the Venmo app or website, go to the settings menu, and download your transaction history in a CSV file. Log into QuickBooks. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Go to the dashboard. Create a Venmo account in QuickBooks. In QuickBooks, go to the chart of accounts and create a new account for Venmo. Select the type as bank or other current asset and name it Venmo account. This account will act as a placeholder for recording Venmo payments. Manually record transactions. For each Venmo transaction, go to Banking, Transactions, Add Transaction in QuickBooks. Input details like the date, amount and category. Select the Venmo account as the payment method. Reconcile transactions. Periodically reconcile your Venmo transactions in QuickBooks by matching the transactions with your downloaded CSV file to ensure accuracy.